Hey, this is Mr. Nobody. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I had a lot of things happening and just a lot of life stuff going on. But I'm happy to be back. Welcome back to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And drop a comment if you've been at the location that I have, if you know any more history about it, or if you're just interested and you want to know where it is. Here's where I'm at today. I'm at this bridge, probably about, I would say about a quarter mile to half a mile long. It started building in 1925, ended in 1927. Lee Moore Construction Company was the builder, and in 1956 it became part of US 80, going from San Diego, California to Tybee Island, Georgia. 2012, Maricopa restored it, and it's now part of the Maricopa historical landmarks. As you can see, that truck just drove by. It is active today. You can drive on it. It is a very narrow bridge. So here, I'll see if we get over here and kind of show you. It's very narrow. You can only get one vehicle going one direction, the other vehicle going there, but you have no buffer on the side to like stop if you need to. Let's just say you have a flat tire. You know, so you have nowhere to stop on this bridge. But yeah, this is a pretty nice location right here. It's also close by to Yuma too, because Yuma's just right over there. So real close to Yuma. And we got all this pretty mountain views right here. And it's also the Gila River runs right underneath it. Gila River runs right underneath it. There goes another vehicle. Looks like there was a dam over there that got broken. There's because you can see you can see where the wall is. And then right where the water is right there, it looks like it's been broken. But yeah, nice little spot to come check out. And also there's a nice little covered patio area right here. And this right here looks like it's one of the main structure supports from the original bridge. They put it here to kind of show what it looked like back in the day. But this is what it looks like today. So there's looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overhanging overpass. Basically, like if you're up in Washington or Oregon, this would be called a trestle bridge. So kind of the same scenario there. But up in Washington, you don't want to drive over a trestle because there is water underneath it, and during the winter time when it's snowing, it's all ice. I've been through it. I had driven down the trestle going from Everett to Lake Stevens, and my truck was going sideways down the whole entire length of the trestle. Oh, I'm surprised I didn't wreck, because that was scary. Yeah, and it's quiet out here. I mean, it's quiet. Not a lot of traffic, as you see, so there's no hustle bustle of the city out here. But pretty quiet. I like it. They got some machines running over here. Looks like a part of that dam is running over there, because there's water going through there, and you hear some motors running. There's a trailer sitting there too. Probably has there's a cameras on it, so they don't want anybody over there trespassing. Let's see if I could do this. Yeah, see, there's the sign right there. I'm going to try to get a video of me driving back over the bridge. Now we're entering the bridge. There's a car coming at me. See how narrow that was? There comes another car. There we go. Nice. Yep, so that was a quick little drive across the bridge. But pretty nice. Old Highway 80. So yeah, here, and I'll just I'll put pictures on the post here. I'll put pictures of the sign and everything. So if you'd like to come and take a look at it, feel free. It's open to the public. You could come day or night, 24/7. So, yeah. All right. So what did y'all think of the bridge? Pretty nice, huh? Been going since 1927, and it's still working today, as you saw the few vehicles driving through there. So if you like what you see, give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to be looking for more Arizona history, because that seems to be the winner on my channel, is Arizona history. I'm also still looking for abandoned buildings. Being that I live in Buckeye, I've been seeing a lot of abandoned buildings out there, out in the farmlands and things like that. But, you know, I got to be careful, because it could be private property, and I don't want to get shot. So I'm going to have to look into that more. But, you know, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate everybody. And I'll see you on the next video. Mr. Nobody signing